Welcome to a brief update from Chipstock Investor. Intuitive Surgical, one of our longtime holdings, just reported Q1 2024 earnings. Intuitive is a company that has transformed the field of surgery with its innovative robotic-assisted surgical systems. This company falls into the tech equipment and devices and the enterprise software segments of the semiconductor industry flow. It was founded over 25 years ago and has been at the forefront of surgical innovation. Their flagship product, the Da Vinci surgical system, has redefined minimally invasive surgery, enabling surgeons to perform complex procedures with unmatched precision and control. With almost 9,000 Da Vinci systems installed worldwide as of the first quarter of 2024, Intuitive Surgical has established itself as the undisputed leader in robotic-assisted surgery. The revised outlook for procedure growth during the Q1 2024 earnings call was increased to 14 to 7%. Now, you can remember at the onset of the year, management had said to look for 13 to 16% procedure growth in 2024. This is no flat out high growth business anymore. However, we should be entering a new multi-year period of more moderate growth, but rising profitability. This revised outlook is a fantastic sign. Procedure growth is an important metric as it will encompass the following: placements of new Intuitive machines, replacements of older Da Vinci systems. The Da Vinci 5 was FDA approved in Q1, and among other innovations, it includes haptic feedback called force feedback technology, so surgeons can feel tissue through the system. Sales of consumable, one-time, and limited use items used in surgery, which is now by far the largest revenue line item at 61% of the total in Q1 2024. And then lastly, analytics software, surgeon and surgery team training software, and some research and development work with users to expand Intuitive's use cases. First quarter 2024 instruments and accessories revenue increased by 18% to $1.16 billion compared to just close to $1 billion in the first quarter of 2023. The increase in instruments and accessories revenue was primarily driven by approximately 16% growth in Da Vinci procedure volume and approximately 90% growth in Ion procedure volume, as well as higher pricing, partially offset by customer buying patterns. Intuitive placed 300 Da Vinci surgical systems in the first quarter of 2024, compared with 312 systems last year this same time. One of the most exciting developments is the Ion system, a robotic-assisted bronchoscopy system. This state-of-the-art technology promises to revolutionize the diagnosis and treatment of lung cancer, allowing doctors to access and visualize hard-to-reach areas of the lungs with unprecedented accuracy. CFO Jamie Samouth said there were approximately 19,500 Ion procedures in the first quarter, which is an increase of 90% compared to last year. This last quarter, they placed 70 Ion systems compared to 55 last year and 44 last quarter. Intuitive did note that they had some supply constraints with the Ion catheter, but they're working through those and they expect growth to continue. Intuitive's GAAP earnings per share increased 51% year over year to $1.51. That includes the effects of higher stock-based compensation to employees and management. As we postulated last year, after significant investment in manufacturing capacity, R&D, and bringing new systems to market, Intuitive could be on the cusp of a multi-year run of elevated profit growth that outpaces the revenue growth. This would explain the high valuation on a backwards-looking basis. Currently trades for 67 trailing 12 months earnings per share after the quarterly update, based on a share price of $385 divided by that 554 in trailing 12 months earnings per share. To help fuel this next round of profit growth, Intuitive also has a stellar balance sheet that it can use for bolt-on acquisitions or share repurchases. It ended March 2024 with $7.32 billion in cash and short-term investments, zero debt. Now, based on our reverse DCF calculation and trailing 12 months earnings per share of $5.54, we believe the market is assuming roughly the following for current value of $385 per share with a $135 billion market cap. Around 25% earnings per share growth for the next 3 years, and then terminal growth rate of 7.5% thereafter, and a discount rate of 10%. Now, these growth assumptions aren't exactly a low bar to clear. However, given the earnings growth that may be coming in 2024, based on that Q1 performance, it's certainly within the realm of possibility. Intuitive Surgical's commitment to innovation extends beyond the operating room. The company is also exploring the potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance surgical outcomes. By leveraging these cutting-edge technologies, Intuitive Surgical aims to provide surgeons with even more powerful tools to deliver exceptional patient care. This remains far and away our best ever healthcare stock and still the team to beat in healthcare AI and robotics. We have an indefinite holding period on this stock. As we have a full position already, we're just nibbling on it from time to time and may do so later this year if there is a significant pullback in share price. That's our take on earnings for 2024 for Intuitive Surgical. If you would like expanded coverage, make sure you check out our membership here on YouTube or over on Ko-fi, where we do some extra earnings manuals and discussion on our Discord channel. Please subscribe to the channel. That is the best and easiest way you can support us, and it's free. So hit that subscribe button. We'll see you all again very soon. We'll have more earnings coverage on the way here at Chipstock Investor.